Experience the power of the Makita 40-volt ConnectX brushless backpack blower for efficient leaf and debris clearing. Its brushless motor delivers high airflow, ideal for demanding tasks. The ConnectX system provides extended runtime, making it suitable for large areas. The ergonomic backpack design minimizes user fatigue during prolonged use. Variable speed control and turbo boost allow for precise airflow management. Quiet operation offers a significant advantage over traditional gasoline-powered blowers. Perfect for professional landscapers and homeowners seeking high performance. This blower sets a new standard for cordless outdoor power equipment. Enjoy the freedom and power of Makita's 40-volt ConnectX technology. Tackle tough fastening jobs with the Makita 40-volt Maximum XGT 4-speed, high-torque, 1/2-inch square drive impact wrench. This impact wrench delivers impressive torque for demanding applications. 4-speed settings provide versatility and precise control over fastening tasks. The friction ring Anvil enables quick and easy socket changes, enhancing productivity. The brushless motor maximizes power and runtime, improving overall efficiency. Robust design and ergonomic grip ensure durability and comfort during extended use. Ideal for automotive, construction, and industrial applications. Experience the power and precision of Makita's XGT series. This impact wrench is a reliable tool for professional use. Quickly clear snow with the Makita 12-inch snow shovel attachment, transforming your power head into a snow clearing tool. This attachment is perfect for walkways and driveways, saving time and effort during winter. The 12-inch width efficiently removes snow in tight spaces, improving efficiency. Durable construction handles tough winter conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. The easy attachment system allows for quick tool changes, enhancing versatility. Lightweight design reduces user fatigue during extended use, increasing comfort. This attachment is a winter essential for compatible Makita powerheads. Make winter chores easier with this effective tool. Handle heavy-duty fastening with the Makita 40-volt Maximum XGT high-torque 1-inch square drive extended Anvil impact wrench. This impact wrench delivers unmatched torque for demanding industrial tasks. The extended Anvil reaches deep recesses for difficult applications, improving accessibility. The friction ring ensures fast and secure socket changes, enhancing productivity. The brushless motor provides maximum power and runtime, optimizing efficiency. Rugged design and ergonomic grip offer durability and comfort during extended use. Ideal for construction and industrial professionals. Experience the superior power of Makita's XGT series. This tool is built for the toughest jobs. Achieve smooth finishes with the Makita GSB Oscillating 40-volt Maximum XGT Brushless, Cordless 3-inch by 21-inch belt sander. This sander provides powerful and efficient material removal, enhancing productivity. The brushless motor delivers consistent power and extended runtime, improving efficiency. Variable speed control allows for precise sanding across different materials, increasing versatility. Ergonomic design and comfortable grip minimize user fatigue, enhancing comfort. Dust collection system maintains a clean workspace, improving working conditions. Ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and finishing applications. Delivers professional-grade results. Experience the convenience of Makita's XGT cordless technology. Tackle diverse tasks with the Makita GMT-01Z 40-volt Maximum XGT brushless, cordless StarlockMax Oscillating multi-tool. This tool is ideal for cutting, sanding, scraping, and more, offering versatility. The StarlockMax interface ensures secure and efficient accessory changes, enhancing productivity. The brushless motor delivers consistent power and extended runtime, improving efficiency. Variable speed control allows for precise adjustments, increasing control. Ergonomic design and comfortable grip minimize vibration and fatigue, enhancing comfort. Ideal for remodeling, woodworking, and general construction. Experience the versatility of Makita's XGT cordless tools. Enjoy hot meals on the go with the Makita 40-volt maximum XGT microwave MWDO UZ1Z, bringing convenience to the job site. This portable microwave has a compact design that is easy to transport and store, enhancing mobility. Durable construction withstands tough job site conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. The 40-volt maximum XGT battery provides ample power for heating, improving efficiency. Ideal for construction sites, outdoor events, and camping. Enjoy the convenience of hot food wherever you are. This innovative tool enhances job site comfort. Trim tall hedges with ease using the Makita 40-volt maximum XGT 24-inch articulating pole hedge trimmer. This trimmer allows for easy trimming of high hedges and shrubs, improving accessibility. The articulating head adjusts to various angles for precise cutting, enhancing control. The 24-inch blade provides ample reach and cutting capacity, improving efficiency. The brushless motor delivers consistent power and extended runtime, optimizing performance. Ergonomic design and comfortable grip minimize user fatigue, enhancing comfort. Ideal for professional landscapers and homeowners with large hedges. Experience the reach and power of Makita's XGT series. Enjoy high-quality audio with the Makita GRM5 40-volt maximum XGT 18-volt lithium-ion Bluetooth speaker during your work. This rugged speaker delivers clear sound for music and podcasts, enhancing the work environment. Compatible with both 40-volt maximum XGT and 18-volt lithium-ion batteries for flexibility, improving versatility. Durable design withstands tough job site conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Bluetooth connectivity enables wireless streaming from devices, enhancing convenience. Universal serial bus charging port charges mobile devices, increasing functionality. Enjoy your favorite audio while working. This versatile speaker enhances the work environment. Keep tools organized with the Makita MAKTRAK Deep Medium Organizer T943, improving job site efficiency. This organizer provides ample storage for various tools and accessories, enhancing organization. Durable construction withstands tough job site conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Deep design accommodates larger items, improving storage capacity. Modular design allows for stacking and customization, enhancing versatility. A transparent lid offers easy content visibility, increasing convenience. Keep tools organized and accessible. This versatile organizer improves job site efficiency. Breakthrough tough materials with the Makita 80-volt maximum XGT 70-pound anti-vibration technology breaker hammer. This hammer delivers exceptional braking performance, enhancing efficiency. Anti-vibration technology reduces user fatigue, improving comfort. Brushless motor provides maximum power and runtime, optimizing performance. Ergonomic design and comfortable grip ensure control and comfort, enhancing usability. Ideal for demolition, concrete breaking, and heavy-duty construction. Experience the unmatched power of Makita's XGT series. This tool is built for extreme demolition needs. Make precise cuts with the Makita 40-volt maximum XGT 9-inch power cutter, enhancing accuracy. This cutter provides powerful and efficient cutting performance, improving productivity. Brushless motor delivers consistent power and extended runtime, optimizing performance. 9-inch blade cuts various materials, increasing versatility. Ergonomic design and comfortable grip minimize fatigue, enhancing comfort. Dust collection system maintains a clean workspace, improving working conditions. Ideal for cutting concrete, tile, and masonry. Experience the precision of Makita's XGT series. This cutter is built for professional results. Achieve precise routing with the Makita 40-volt maximum XGT brushless, cordless 2 and 1/4 maximum horsepower plunge router. This router delivers powerful and accurate cuts, enhancing precision for woodworking and other applications. The brushless motor provides consistent power and extended runtime, optimizing performance. The plunge function allows for controlled depth adjustments, increasing control over the cutting process. Variable speed control adapts to different materials, enhancing versatility for various woodworking tasks. Ergonomic design and comfortable grip minimize fatigue during extended use, improving comfort. Ideal for creating grooves, edges, and decorative cuts, this router delivers professional-grade results. Illuminate work areas with the Makita 18-volt lithium-ion light, emitting diode underhood work light, enhancing visibility. This light provides bright, even illumination for detailed tasks, improving accuracy. Adjustable design positions light precisely, increasing control. Durable construction withstands tough conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. 18-volt lithium-ion battery offers extended runtime, optimizing efficiency. Compact, lightweight design is easy to transport, enhancing mobility. Integrated hook and swivel increase versatility, improving functionality. Multiple light-emitting diode bulbs with adjustable brightness, enhancing customization. Ideal for mechanics and do-it-yourself enthusiasts, improving workspace conditions. Maintain machinery with the Makita 18-volt lithium-ion grease gun, ensuring smooth operation. This gun delivers consistent, precise lubrication, enhancing efficiency. Powerful motor ensures steady grease flow, optimizing performance. Variable speed controls flow rate, increasing control. Ergonomic design and comfortable grip minimizes user fatigue, improving comfort. Flexible hose and extended nozzle reach tight spaces, enhancing accessibility. Light emitting. Diode light illuminates dark working areas, improving visibility. Robust construction withstands demanding environments, ensuring long-lasting performance, ideal for automotive, industrial, and agricultural applications. Cut through rebar efficiently with the Makita 18-volt lithium-ion rebar cutter, streamlining construction. This cutter delivers powerful and clean cuts, enhancing productivity. Compact and lightweight design enhances maneuverability, improving accessibility. Sharp, durable blades provide precise cuts, reducing material waste. 18-volt lithium-ion battery ensures ample runtime, optimizing efficiency. Ergonomic design and comfortable grip minimizes user fatigue, enhancing comfort. Integrated light emitting. Diode light illuminates cutting areas, improving visibility. Safety switch prevents accidental activation, enhancing safety. Ideal for construction and demolition professionals. Achieve precise cuts in fiber cement board with the Makita 18-volt lithium-ion fiber cement shear, ensuring professional results. This shear delivers clean, accurate cuts, enhancing accuracy. Sharp, durable blades provide smooth and efficient cutting, reducing material damage. Compact and lightweight design enhances maneuverability, improving accessibility. 18-volt lithium-ion battery provides extended runtime, optimizing efficiency. Ergonomic design and comfortable grip minimizes user fatigue, enhancing comfort. Built-in dust collection port allows for cleaner cuts, improving working conditions. Integrated light. Emitting diode light illuminates the cutting line, enhancing visibility. Ideal for siding and construction professionals. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.